Hello, we have here a ladies Bulova Caravelle. This is a mechanical wind-up. This watch looks great for its age. There's the Caravelle logo on the crown. Has like a beige colored dial. It's running, keeping perfect time. There's a few small scuffs on the case, but overall it looks great, as you can see here. Crystal looks great. Hardly no scuffs on the case back. Still looks good. There's the markings on the back. Caravelle. It's a great deal for the money. Great vintage collector's piece. And happy bidding.